it. And CPR I do that long time. I don't want to come cancel the youth, analyze the youth. I don't want to support that. If you analyze the youth, I want to know like a nasty blood clot drunker, man. I want to know, man. I want to know. So what if the man tell the little girl and take the mother? No phone never look on it and I say, yo, oh, maybe CPR I look on it and say, you know what? Let me try to say I can book a hotel, book a little vacation for them. So the little girl mind can at ease a little bit. No, look on that because I'm so stuck up on her like a pussy all ways. I'm so stuck up on her like a dirty ways. Everything a person there with a person. You understand? Everything. No, me here when I talk about CPR Niah baby mother that back road that sell crutches. So blood clot what much I know more they run a back road that sell crutches. How much I know sister, how much I know they run a back road that sell crutches. How much I know a grew on a back road go buy the same pussy them. How much I know. So what if the girl have to find a way for herself? No found they abroad and they all over the blood clot place. Right? And the worse than that. How much I want to fly to Dubai make man a shit in her face? I don't want to come class the girl because I want to hear the girl sell on the back road. Move on a little dirty blood clot and go. And if I found a man me here on the live them, I come pressure the girl. Move on a little batty man self and go man and left the girl alone man. Can no found one get the location of how she dey run a back road so you can grow and go buy some crutches from her too. No found no doubt just a class the girl. You don't have nothing in your life. Focus on your life and try to build on a blood clot life. And she there herself go raise her daughter. And who know? And who know? So if she know say a back road she can go make $1. Go and go make a blood clot dollar. You're not kill nobody. You're not kill nobody. If you don't want that to happen, stop give Niah daddy the blood clot money and go help the blood clot woman and pitney. Go help them. And stop come out just come class them. You know willing to give Niah daddy all of the money. For do what? What am I do with it? What am I do with it? What am I do with it? But you're not willing to chastise the girl because you know yes, the girl that run a blood clot back road and sell one little front. You're not willing to chastise the girl. Eh? And because you know yes, a CPR can the little girl and can the mother go on a blood clot one hotel. You don't want to chastise the two of them say boys say the man and the woman there. So wife then there. And a man and a woman, wife then there. A problem that? At the end of the blood clot, the CPR take it up on himself. To say, you know, I am going to be the father figure for this little girl. How much on like a dirty blood clot brother and sister? For Niah, they decide so now go take up on her knees. And help on her knees. All you no think about if you go burn out blood clot to no unmiggle. Rub out to no unmiggle on blood clot street. And fire gun. That's all you no think about. Move on a little dirty blood clot and go. I mean, I lie you. If anyone on the touch CPR, I pray to God police find on a blood clot and don't bring it on in. Right on the spot. More and them put bullets in on the blood clot head. And anybody will support the unalivement of CPR, I want God strike, you know. You hear me? I tell you no. Me want God strike, you know. I want on the holy phone now on the hand. I want God strike on the blood clot. I want to support them like a dirty blood clot lifestyle. You know idiot. You don't even support goodness on the app. And stop support violence against blood clot with brothers and sisters them. I want to pay for them something, man. It disgusts me, you know. A little hunchback blood clot one name blinger. Mr. Sit up on live. I made this like a batty man I come class the little girl. I come pressure the girl. And you're a woman. You're a woman yourself. A pitney girl child. And the whole I want to sit down on the blood clot live. I come laugh. Kiki. This funny. Let me get a repost. I want when you know blood clot screen record them something here. I want to do the blood clot repost so no finger just stuck on the blood clot phone, it can't come off. The stuck on the phone, it can't come off. How much youth in a Jamaica decides to them to take it upon themselves and give back? You think a little money CPR give back? He could not do it, you know? He could not follow everybody else and a buy house, buy car and everything and a bra and everything, you know? The man take it upon himself. And say, I am going out on the street. I am going to help back to school. Me help vendors. How much vendor the man help to start back business? And to increase them business. I want to say good enough that you want support to cancel him. I tell them say, hey, yes, you know blood clot black people and Jamaican. Yes, you know. Yes, you know. Yes, you know. Me I tell them the truth, you know, man. You know, disgust me, you know, man. You know, disgust me, you know. Them something I want to do, don't even stop it, man. Stop support the fuckery. Stop support the fuckery. All them care about are the money. That's it. Just the money. Me want the money. Me want the money. Me want the money. And if me not get the money, me I go analyze that person. That's blood clot.